Welcome to MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach. My name's Dean Ashton, and today we're going to walk through a brand new 2026 Boston Whaler 170 Montauk. As you see, the boat has the platinum gray hull sides. We've optioned it out with the white rub rail with stainless steel insert. Boat does come with the single axle galvanized trailer. For power, we've upgraded it to the 115 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke. This boat's outfitted with the seating package. It's going to give you the 2 aft seats with removable backrests. You have a 4-position helm seat. That'll give you a forward leaning post, forward-facing seating, or aft-facing seating. Underneath your helm seat is a live well. Making our way up to the helm, boat is outfitted with the JL audio system. It's going to give you 4 JL speakers and a JL head unit. Simrad GPS fish finder at the dash. Compass on top of the console. You have your Mercury tack gauge here. Boat is equipped with the black bimini top. It does have the teak package. You have the teak inlays on the gunnels. As we make our way up to the bow of the boat, you have a cooler seat that faces forward with 4 rod holders built into the backrest. It's a carry-on, carry-off cooler. You have a nice size locker here that can be used as a fish box. This is insulated, gas strut assisted, so easy access. Forward of that is going to be your anchor locker. And then the boat is outfitted with the trolling motor panel as well. So a real quick look at our Boston Whaler 170 Montauk. For some more information, give us a call at 910-256-8100.